Hey there, fellow seekers of wisdom and self-improvement. Stoicism is a philosophy that dates back to ancient Rome, and its teachings have withstood the test of time. The Stoics believed in living a virtuous life through the practice of self-control, resilience, and rationality. Today, I'm here to share with you some powerful rules from the ancient philosophy of Stoicism and how they can transform your life for the better. Let's dive in. Rule number 1. Focus on what you can control. In life, there are many things that are beyond our control. Instead of wasting energy on trying to change these things, focus on what is within your power to change: your thoughts, actions, and reactions. By accepting what you cannot control and focusing on what you can, you will experience greater peace of mind. Rule number 2. Embrace adversity. The Stoics believed that challenges and hardships are opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Instead of avoiding difficulties, face them head-on with courage and resilience. By embracing adversity, you will become stronger and more resilient in the face of life's challenges. Rule number 3. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for cultivating happiness and contentment. Take time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for, no matter how small. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you will develop a greater sense of appreciation and fulfillment. Rule 4. Live in the present moment. The Stoics believed in the importance of living in the present moment and not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. By focusing on the here and now, you can fully engage with life and experience greater joy and fulfillment. By following these Stoic rules, you can improve the quality of your life and achieve a greater sense of inner peace and fulfillment. So I encourage you to incorporate these principles into your daily life and see the positive impact they can have. Thank you for watching, and remember, live boldly, live virtuously, and live stoically.